Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes Tuesday. So in today's video we are going to see how we can do a basic 3D camera tracking inside After Effects. So as you all know, camera tracking is very essential for our VFX industry, and basically in camera tracking we try to mimic the path of the camera at the time of shoot. So without wasting any time, let's hit the timer. Okay, so here as you can see I have my footage and it's a drone shot and camera is moving inwards, and to track this footage we need to go to tracker, and here we have few options, but this time we are going to use track camera, and automatically software will detect the motion and it will try to create our virtual camera on the basis of tracking information. Okay, so tracking has been done. What we need to do now, we need to select our ground plane and orient our scene. I think this is good. So I'm going to right click and I can do set ground plane and origin, and at the same time I'm going to right click, and to just check our tracking, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create text and camera. So what will happen, one text will be created and I have my camera, and if I'm going over here in to view, and I can see my camera is moving as per my shot. So what we can do now, we can orient our text as well. So I can go to text and hit R for rotation, and I can rotate in X axis, something like that, and might be I can rotate in Y axis as well. And if I'm going to play this, let me do this, and if I'm going to play this, you can see my text is moving as per my camera movement. So what I'm going to do quickly, I'm going to select my footage and I'm going to select my 3D camera tracker, and might be I can go over here and I can right click and I can create one more text, might be. Or in this text, what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click and might be I can type camera tracking, something like that. And in this particular text, I'm going to pull it upwards, and might be I can go to view, and this time I'm going to pull my text towards my camera, something like that. I'm trying to create one basic scene so that we can understand how with the help of camera tracking we can generate our parallax. So same thing, I'm going to duplicate this text and going to double click it and type After Effect, and this time I'm going to push my this text layer little backwards, and if I'm going to play it, just see we are having a good amount of parallax, right? My camera is crossing my text and it's moving forward. So I hope this quick tutorial will help you in your coming projects, and if you want me to create a detailed camera tracking inside After Effects, please don't forget to comment, and if you feel that this video is helping you, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This is VFX Vibe signing off. Have a good day.